So now we have mastered the art of taking your time and speaking slow. The next thing we're going to learn in this activity, this is thought chains. Now, what are thought chains? Let's go through quickly what thought chains are, why are they important, and how to do them. This is not going to take a lot much time, but this is like super most important thing in order to get fluent and have the ability to think spontaneously on your feet anytime, everywhere, with anyone. So first of all, thought chains are the easiest way to sound fluent in the English language or any language at all. What is fluency? Let's understand why people don't get fluent. They get stuck on the problem that they are not able to capture the next idea. Oh, what do I say next? I don't know what to say next. And people just get stuck there. That's why they always go in that overthinking loop. What to say? What to say? I don't know. I don't have any ideas. This activity will take you out of that loop. Once you get trained on thought chains, then you will have a lot of ideas to talk about any topic. You want to talk about success, you want to talk about failures, you want to talk about the random objects, or anywhere, anytime. Even if somebody asks you to be on stage anytime and they ask you, okay, talk about this, talk about that. This gives you the ability to have that confidence within you. Why? Let's understand how. The result you're going to get from this activity is, first of all, you are not going to be silent anymore. No silence whatsoever. You're just going to be thinking a lot in English and then speaking about all of those ideas that you have in a systemized way. Second, you will have no hesitation whatsoever. You will not fumble anymore because you know exactly this is what I'm going to say. Third, you're just not going to have a blank mind. People are always out of ideas on what to say next. This is why we practice thought chains, to always be full of ideas in a systemized way, in a correct way. Not to have any bad idea, but to have all the relevant ideas about a topic that you can talk about at any time and you still sound smart. Now let's understand how this activity might be different from, thinking, taking your time and then speaking slow. So what we did in taking your time, basically we were thinking about all the images and then we were making chunks from it. This actually helps you speak directly without even having a lot of images. So let's say you're not able to think about the image, but you can think about the word. So this helps you create that bridge going from directly word to word association. So you can just directly speak a lot of things directly from the words. You will understand what I'm trying to say when I'll give you the example how this works. So basically, instead of always thinking about the next image, oh, what do I say next? What should I say next? Now you don't need to worry about any of that. You just think about the next word. So rather than thinking about the next image, you're thinking about the words, and these words are going to be associated words with that topic, whatever the main topic was. For example, orange. We have an orange. What is the next associated word with orange? Peel, because we peel the orange. Now I'll tell you how this works, okay? So that's all we have to do. We just have to think about all the associated words with the main word. That's the activity. This is very simple. Obviously, this is also similar because this word peel is also an image. Like when you peel an orange, you already have that image in your brain. Okay, we are peeling the orange. We're also using all of that. So I'm not saying you're not visualizing in this, but it's more like we're thinking about the words directly. We're not thinking about, oh, we are peeling and then thinking about the word peel. No, we're directly saying orange, peel, orange, juicy. Because juicy word is also the word juice is directly correlated with orange because orange has juice in it. Orange fiber, because orange has a lot of fiber. Orange vitamin C, orange has a lot of vitamin C in it. Orange color, orange is orange colored, right? So you understand the basis of this activity. What we are going to do, you're going to have a main topic and then we're going to think about 4 to 5 associated words. The more words you have, the more you'll be able to speak about this. Orange, it is a sphere. It is spherical in shape like the planet Earth. Simple, and that's it. Word, associated words, and then we'll just make sentences using these words. The main word, the associated word, one sentence. One word, associated word, another sentence. One word, third associated word, third sentence. So this word, the main topic, is going to remain the same. All of these words will be different each time when you make a sentence. Let's check out from the next example.